Yep. Watch out, watch out.
Trying to perfect the New Year burnout.
This nigga wildin'.
Yeah, I probably got no tire left. Try to give me a nice little.
Ball right now?
Oh, the inside's a ball, bro. Damn. Oh,
This shit burned you?
Happy New Year. Tires are pretty low.
I know.
2 hours and 12 minutes to go. This one been low for a minute now. This one just got low.
Jesus.
That's okay.
I got a shaky ass hand.
It's all good. I like the color. What do you think?
I like it.
Let's see if he goes beside me. It's nice. I had my 435 that color. It's nice. What do you think? You like it?
It's the same car?
No, it's an M5. It's a Ford.
Okay. I like
I want
it.
him to take off first, and then I want to reel him in, you know?
I don't think he's playing with you.
We'll see. Oh, he definitely is. The way he came up on me, pause, as soon as he get a little opening right there, he's gone. BMW people know BMW people.
Okay.
Look, he's getting ready. Watch, he's gone. See? Oh shit, we got the truck right here. I told you he was ready. 142. Fast though. You look. I ain't taking it higher than 150. My tire's too bald.
You were the tire.
Hold on, am I squatting? Winter Bad Boys, Redsteins. So normally on this car there's two 285s, but Redstein don't make a 285. So these are two 75 3020s. They're gonna go in the back of the bad bitty. Look at that. And it's supposed to snow. Look, you see how, look at that. See how juicy that is? It's gonna grab the snow by the cojones. It'll be fun. $500. So we gotta throw those on now. M2 I finally ordered is here. Or the M2 I ordered is finally here. Sorry. They give me trash numbers for this car. I'm just keep the car. But yeah. Is it the same M5 that I test drove that's not still sold? Okay. Where's the car at though? You see a red BMW? Oh, it's there it is. Looks way better in person. It looks way better in person.
It does look better.
Exactly. Looks like my
Do I
car.
like your car? Yes. Still like it.
Better than that?
Yeah.
I guess because it was red. What do you like? The only thing I don't like is how cheap it feels, you know? The interior. It's kind of freaking cheap. What's up?
No.
You said slacking? This one has the carbon fiber. Got the sunroof. I don't, mine's a carbon fiber. I prefer the carbon fiber, but I'm not paying $2,500 for a carbon fiber roof. The seats are way more comfortable.
I mean, yeah, you have that hump in the middle.
Yeah, watch your mouth. What do you think? It's not a bad car. 66 sticker. Yeah. This is actually not bad. The carbon fiber middle. I gotta wear gloves so I want to grease up mine. Yeah, this one looks so nice. I can grease mine up. It has the steering wheel heater. I know it's missing some stuff from my car. Oh, I didn't get a heads-up display on this. Heads-up display was like 11 grand. I'm 1100, and I figured for a cheap car like this with a big giant screen.
Yeah.
I don't know. I just didn't see it working. I see me having like a better daily.
Yeah.
You know. It don't feel that bad, but it definitely feels a little cheap. Like this does feel kind of cheap. Slightly different.
It doesn't have the ambient lighting.
It has it, just this one little bar, and the door. It has those colors, but you can't change the color. You see the tri-color thing, the red, that lights up. To be honest, I went in this thing thinking I'm gonna spec it, like race it out. Oh my God, let's see what she says. Needs. Yeah, I guess, I don't know, they're gonna look at it or something. Nah, they offered me $55,000 for the car. $55,000. I keep this shit. I keep this.
And then you can do whatever you want with the car that would have been mine.
Stupid.
But you'd have to lift it.
I'm trying to burn off a little bit the rest of these tires because we're gonna put the winches on. 55 grand, 55,000. That's crazy, no? I mean, listen.
How much did you drive the car for?
82.
How long have you had it?
2 years. Yeah, I bought it for 82 2 years ago. Out the door was 88 with taxes and fees and everything. So that would have lost like 30 grand in 2 years. Nah. So they told me $3,000 to raise it back up. Me and Jerry lowered that car at the park with hookah and ice cream.
How long did it take you?
Not that long. Not $3,000 worth.
Well, they said it was gonna take 10 hours.
Yeah, 10 hours. Yeah, 10 hours. Oh, I think they charge about $200 an hour or something like that.
Yeah, and they gotta pay their people.
Yeah, they gotta pay their people. That's cool. I'd just rather not kick 3 grand over for lowering. You know what I mean? They be trying to catch you with this work. I mean, you shouldn't be speeding the work zone anyway. Look at that. Wherever there's a porta potty, there's one of those guys. Be on the lookout. Oh, they got somebody. You seen that flash? That Prius. Shame on you. I gotta get over. Slice and dice. Slice and dice. Don't lie, that was smooth. I heard you over there. That was mad smooth.
Don't look at me like that. Like a GTA character.
Put the shank up. I look now.
Shank. Oh.
Have some gifts. What seat should I sit in?
Oh my God.
That's the seat that's been chosen for me. Forget the name of the company. I'm gonna put them down below, but they're really cool. They always send me scanners like every year. This year, this is supposed to be 2.0. It does look a lot better. All Android based. Like I said, I put the company now below, but I was able to code airbags, all types of stuff in my car. You know, this thing is a little bit different though. It has like a little serial port, USB-C. So it definitely is an updated thing. Oh, and it already looks faster off the rip. I'm gonna disable that little sound. It sounds like one of them old school Windows 95 computers, but yeah, 2.0 for BMWs. However, you can buy or purchase software like I've known with the other ones, where you can get different car brands on here. One thing I did notice is there is some type of battery on the inside. The other one only really worked, if I'm not mistaken, when you plugged it in. I'll do more comparisons in another video that's titled for that. This is what I've been waiting for. I bought these like, I don't know, a couple months ago. These are the last two they had available, and the rest were back ordered. This color and spec, 18 by 10.5. So I figured, let me just buy it to try it. Show you. Ready? You ready for this? Mm-hmm. Ready for this? I literally only bought these, like I said, because they wide. God damn, 10.5. I think this is the widest wheel I've ever bought in my life. VS 5RS. What do you think? In Motorsport Gold. I wanted to get my wheels. I'm talking to you, girl.
Oh, me?
Yeah. What do you think?
I like it.
These are straightforward. So I've always had flow formed, or like it's a different type of forging process. These are the Apex wheels that I'm gonna put on, which would have been the M2 or the M4. They fit the same size wheel, so that's why I bought them. Didn't matter. Hey, look, now you got nail polish.
Okay.
And wheels. You ain't seen nothing yet. This is what you call true addiction. Look, she even got the little dummy hand. Take it easy, man, all right? All right, you too, brother. This guy talking about you want to race. Yeah, I can't find anywhere to mount any tires, man. I think it's the 30 series that everyone shies away from. It's like a 20-inch and it's wide. Like, I know if I was in like Queens, Brooklyn, or even like Nassau, you could find a million spots, but not here. Not here. The last spot gouged this and tore that up right here. Pretty much I think all around the rim is a little beat up, little scrapage right here. I think it's from the guy. Whoo, check out that fitment though. That fitment is, sheesh. I'm probably chewing out the inside. Oh no, not even chewing out the underneath. But yeah, man. This is one of the main reasons I got the Apexes that I got right here. One of the main reasons I got them too, because I got tired of swapping the drag radials over to the Summers back and forth, and every time I take it to a tire shop, they kind of scratch, ding, or you know, break something. So I decided to just run this dedicated tire for that, which I probably should have done in the beginning. I must be in the hood. Anyway, there's Martin Luther King Boulevard. You in the hood. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and sadly enough, the car will not be going for an M2. I won't be swapping this bad boy out for them too. Some of you guys might be happy. It just makes more sense because technically be spending more money in the long run to just keep swapping out these cars. I think the best thing I can do at this point is get me a little beater. So I don't know, I might look at one of those things, get me a nice little beater, spruce this thing back up, and you know, just keep it. This will be my garage queen, and my versions of garage queens are pretty just less. It's gonna be the same thing. It's gonna be the same thing. I'm just not gonna really commute or anything with it. It's gonna be the same thing. All right, for Slow Speed, peace out.